Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to put Vray IES Lite in 3dsMax. Now go to Google and search download 3dsMax Vray IES Lite, and you can see click download free IES Lite, and there are 30 different types of Vray IES Lite. Then bottom click download IES Lite. By the way, it's free. After the download is completed, go to IES Lite, and you can see there are a total of 30 different IES Lite and one JPEG image. Now go to 3dsMax and go to Vray IES Lite. Now place your IES Lite. Now go to modify, and you can see here none because you haven't choose your IES Lite. And go to IES Lite folder and choose your IES. For now I'm using number 16 and click open. And set your color. After you have selected your color, click OK. And now go to power. The higher the number, the brighter the light is. I'm using 600. After everything is set, go to render setup. Now I'm going to teach you some basic render setting. First of all, go to output size. As you can see, I'm using HDTV video. If you want faster render, you can use custom. Moving on to Vray, under Vray image sampler tab, type select adaptive subdivision. If you want faster render, select fixed. Select Michel Netravali. Under color mapping tab, select exponential. Now go to GI, subdip 5, and GI engine, irradiance map, the second GI engine, like catch. Now under irradiance map, current preset very low. Very low is good enough. If you choose very high, it will take longer time for your rendering. Under light catch, subdip 700, sampler size 0.01 is good enough. Last, go to setting tab. Well, some people will use 16 for this, or even 124, but usually I use 64. Everything set, click render, and you're done. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.